For years, I've desired to create a game featuring Santa Claus, but I consistently encountered a roadblock: finding a 3D model that aligned with my specific aesthetic. I scoured countless online 3D model repositories, searching for a design that resonated with my vision. Yet, nothing quite fit. Consequently, all my Santa-themed projects remain perpetually stalled in development. However, that changes today. It's time to ditch the procrastination, sit down, and sculpt this Santa 3D model myself. I'm gonna create exactly what I want so that I can finally start building that Santa-based game. This is a quick and simple preliminary rig, designed to help assess the character's proportions. Often a character looks fine in a drawing or even as a static 3D model. However, it's only when you start animating it that proportional issues become apparent. Discovering these problems after the character is mostly finished can lead to significant rework. Imagine realizing, oh my god, this character's finger can't reach his toes. Or, oh my god, his arms don't fold together correctly, and similar frustrations. Performing this preliminary test allows me to readjust proportions, ensuring the character is anatomically sound. While this isn't necessary for all characters, it's a valuable step for humanoid figures. Now I'm determining the optimum placement for the head bone. This ensures accurate rotation when the final bone is positioned. This phase helps me decide whether the bone's placement needs adjustment or if the head itself should be repositioned. While producing grotesque or intimidating 3D models is relatively straightforward, achieving that perfect, charming, adorable face, one that retains its cuteness even when expressing anger, presents a significant challenge. So what did I do? I sketched approximately 11 different faces and, after considerable deliberation, selected the one that epitomized sheer cuteness. While I'm not the most skilled 3D modeler, I truly enjoy those moments where I can just sit down and immerse myself in the creation process. Rigging isn't my strength. It's simply something that had to be done. The costume is relatively simple. My focus is more on the proportions and face.